Hi folks, well I've got some more new parts. Welcome back. Okay folks, well those are better quality coils, but the most important part is a replacement igniter unit, CDI. So my plan is to put everything in its place. I'll start the bike again and we'll see what happens. Folks, we've got a fully charged battery. Okay folks, so this is the moment we've all been waiting on. I so hope this bike runs. Wish me luck. Exhausts aren't getting hot, so there's got to be something I miss with the right hand coil. Sorry folks, unfortunately the bike is still not right. It's so disappointing. I've double and triple checked everything and it's all good, so it doesn't make sense. There's still an electrical fault, but at the moment I don't know what's wrong. So it's back to basics next. I need to check every earth is good and look for a possible short in the wiring system. The fuel gauge is still on empty. It shouldn't be. that's a problem. Well folks, after further testing, I found a few issues. The fuel gauge still isn't working. The front brake light switch isn't working. And there should be lights on in the clocks and they're not working. Everything else is fine. So that tells me where to start looking for a fault. I'm wondering if the headlights got something to do with it, because there's no high beam on that, which may have confused the electrical system. Okay folks, this might take some time, but I'll let you know as soon as I find what's wrong. Yeah, that's connected with the headlight. Should be the headlight that's the problem. I'll have to get in there and have a look. So to be continued folks, and thanks for watching. Well, look at that. Those wires to the headlight are really burnt. So I'm on the right track. Look at that. Got a second burnt white wire. That goes to the front brake light switch. So next job folks is to cut off and replace all the burnt wires, trace them back and look for any faults and make sure everything's in the right order, and change the headlight